Okay, this is gonna be YouTube best wedding dance competition. Okay, let's hit it. Let's go. Yay! We dey check out. The men are leading. The guy is leading. Oh yeah. Who dash the woman level? Come on there for where the band they dance. You sabi dance. Come on there, make I spray body. The men are always leading. What is happening to our women when it comes to marital dance? The men are always leading. Oh baba, see the leg walk. Check out the leg walk. Baba they boss my head. Pour that man the dollar. Pour the man more dollar. Abba. Yes, madam, come on there. You don't sabi dance, Joe. Chief, come on there. They tell you say that village dance be this. Who will be this one? Who will be this? Come on there. Oh yeah. Now. Check it out. I'm gonna take the guy sound soon now. But boy ready come on. Who they? Yeah. Hey, over change me dollar. Make I pour this guy dollar for them. Yeah. This is the latest Michael Jackson pre-booking in Africa. The best dancing in YouTube. Hey! Okay. Hey, this babe just be try to provoke this guy. Yeah, Baba don't para. See leg walk. Who they take the video fans make you could call them leg walk for you. Whiskey fans make you would know sabi whiskey fans no get leg walk dance. Come on there. Yeah. This one na sabi boys. This one's na sabi boys. So this one no go there. Oh. This one na babanla them. Senior men then see the anyash like monkey. Yeah. Okay. Let's go there. Today. Without any further ado, it's evident that the men won in this best YouTube wedding dancing competition. The men won. He won. Okay, now let's check the second dancing move. Alright, let's go there. Alright, take a look at this. Okay. This is just the preparatory speech. For those of you that are still single and you are getting ready to marry, make men no fall our hand. No. If you won't go dance, make sure say you practice how to dance. 1 week, 2 weeks, 1 month. You guys should use 1 month, 2 months to practice. So I don't want you so now go for men hand or make woman dance pass now. You see what the men they do. Oh yeah now. You think say they know sabi? Who they tell you? Ooh, men they why you did for now. Oh boy, yeah, show them. They know sabi, they know rich. Now so it's supposed to be baba. See flexibility. This is men on flexibility. Oh my goodness, Lord. YouTube, this is the best dance on YouTube.